Dumpster rental service in Madison, Indiana. Keeping your property clean has never been easier with our dumpster rental service in Madison, Indiana. At Arch Waste and Recycle, we provide reliable roll-off dumpsters for all projects, ensuring that waste removal is simple and efficient. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out your garage, or managing construction debris, we have the right dumpster for the job. Our hassle-free rental process allows you to focus on your project instead of worrying about waste disposal. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit your needs. Our flexible rental periods ensure you have enough time to complete your project without feeling rushed. Our dumpster rental service is designed to make your life easier. We provide fast delivery and prompt pickup so your worksite stays clean and organized. Our team is dedicated to customer satisfaction and offers expert advice to help you choose the right dumpster size. With competitive pricing and no hidden fees, you can trust us to provide a cost-effective waste management solution. We handle household junk, yard debris, construction waste, and more. Our dumpsters are sturdy, well-maintained, and capable of handling heavy materials. If you need a dependable dumpster rental, don't hesitate to call us at 812-758-7274. Let us take care of your waste while you focus on what matters most.